Hello everyone, this is Carol. In the previous videos, we have learned a lot about text effects. Well, today I will show you how to create a water ripple text effect. The method we use is pretty straightforward. Without further ado, let's dig in and learn how. First, we open VideoProc Vlogger. Let's start by creating the material for the text in a circular ring, and then we will make the animation effect. Click here to create a new text layer. Then we modify the text content, font, and keep the color white. Remove the shadow by navigating down to the shadow option. Next, adjust the position of the text. To make it look better, you can slightly adjust the letter spacing. Once you are satisfied, click here to save a screenshot of the text. Next, we modify the text content again and save 2 or more screenshots of the text. Now we have our text ready. We also lead an image with a black background and a white circular ring. Clear the text content. Click here to save a black image, and then click on background. Choose white and click down to save a white image. After that, we go back to background and change it back to black. Now, place a white image on the main track and a black image on the overlay track. Click on Effects, choose Circular Mask, and drag it onto the effect track. In Inspector, scroll down to Scope and select both materials. Now, a white circular ring appears, but edges are too blurry and too large. Let's set the gradient to 0 and the radius to 90%. Then select the black image, go to the inspector, and find Scale to slightly reduce it. Now we have created a circular ring. Click here to save a screenshot. Next, import both the text and the circular ring into VideoProc Vlogger. Put the text on the main track and the ring on the overlay track. In Inspector, click on White, and the ring covers the entire text. Scroll down to Blend and choose Exclusion. Well, now the text and the ring appear together. An overlapping arrow turns black, which looks pretty nice. Now let's start creating the animation effect. At the beginning of the video, create a keyframe. Drag the preview window to the left until there is no white in the frame. Then, create another keyframe at around 0.5 seconds. And return the position to the center. Slightly shrink it to remove all white. Click here and choose Speed Down. Finally, add a keyframe at the end position. Play to see the effect. Not bad! Next, we will make the water ripple effect from the top left and bottom right corners. Click here to create 2 more overlay tracks. Copy the material and place it on new overlay tracks with some spacing between them. Select the second material and click on Motion. On the first keyframe, move it from the top right corner to the center to see the ripple effect. You can add a slight rotation angle to make it more dynamic. Try adding 27 degrees. Play and see the effect. Much better. Now copy the material again and place it on the lower overlay track. Click on Motion and move the first keyframe to the bottom left corner. Now the ripple will start appearing from the top right corner. Great! Now all three ripple effects are done. Finally, place a sound effect of water drops on the audio track. And align the positions of the water ripple materials. If you want the text to change with the water ripple, you can switch different text image at the position where the water ripple passes. Now let's check out the final look. Not bad. Well, that's all for today's video. Try applying the effect to your own videos. And if you want to know more about other and tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to the subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!